There we go. So we'll just kind of start going through everything. Match answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So 3, I got the third one.
Okay. Me too.
Yeah.
And that was right when I submitted it.
Oh, did you submit? Did you get them all right?
No, I missed 3 of them.
Okay.
So
number 3?
Yep.
Yeah. Five is true.
Yep.
6 is a sample size.
Yep.
Okay, so I didn't get 7.
Neither did I.
I couldn't figure this out either.
I was wondering. I tried like 1 just because I wasn't sure. If you have 1/4 of something, you have to have at least 4 numbers of something, right? So my guess would be 4.
Let me read the question.
And then, because the next one you could have, you know, for 1/4, it'd be what, 8? You'd have 2 out of 8. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh. So if it's the true population is equal to 1/4, 1 is the smallest in this in that satisfies the requirement. So what did you put as your answer? Did you put 1 before? Oh, what happened to Jeremy?
Oh, I guess it's disconnected. Let's see if I can Google anything for it.
There it is.
All right, sorry. Every now and then my computer just kicks me off. My guess on this is 4, because if you have 1/4, you have to have at least 4.
That's
right?
true.
It's true. Did you guess 1 before? Is that what you guessed?
I guessed 1 on the last one, but now that I'm thinking it over, my guess is 4.
All right. Well, let me put 4.
Because you said if for 1/4 you can't have smaller, you can't have. I don't know. I guess we'll see if it's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so did you get 0.4?
Yes, 8 I got 0.4.
And then 9, did you get 1? Or 0.1?
0.1, yep.
Okay, good. That's as far as I got. Okay.
Let me find my notes so I can figure out how I got these. And then 10 is 0.35.
And how did you get that?
What I did is I just took, to get the probability, you had to take 35 divided by 100, and I got 0.35.
Okay. you get 0.08 for 11?
Then 11 I got 0.046. And that was right.
Did you do the equation?
Yes. I'm trying to find my notes where I calculated it out. So what I did is I took the 0.3, I followed the formula kind of under 3.21. So I took the P, which is 0.3, and then I multiplied it by 1 minus 0.3. Divided that by 100, and then took the square root of that.
Okay. 0.3.
So that's right at the 0.046.
You got 0.046?
Yeah. Did you take the square root of the whole thing after you figured it out?
I did, but it... 0.3 times 1 minus
No, 1
3.
minus 0.3.
Yeah, times, and that's in parentheses, the 1 minus 0.3.
Yeah.
Divided by 24.
No, you divide it by 100. Because there's 100.
Why did I get 24?
I don't know where you got that one.
Oh, you know, it was the problem before. Well, that would be the problem. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Definitely don't want to do that one.
No. And then you get those Z-scores.
Yep.
Yeah.
That one was that one was no fun.
That one was what?
It was not fun at all. It's a little bit more involved formula-wise, so it wasn't too bad. So that's on the 3.31, the worked example. I followed that. So we take our 0.35, because that's what we got for the P with the caret thingy, minus the 0.3. And then we end up dividing that by the standard deviation, that whole thing we just figured out, the 0.046. So then you get 0.05 divided by 0.046. So then it's 1.087.
You said 1.25.
Sorry, I was skipping ahead. Which one was that?
It was
12? 1.087. I'd kind of show you my notes, but I think I wrote a little too small.
It's okay.
Did you figure it out?
No, that's okay. I was just writing the notes down so I can go back and do it.
We can take the time if we need to.
I feel like I can't keep behind.
All right. Well, if you need to, you can shoot me an email. I can
Okay.
send a picture of notes or something.
Okay.
And then 13, we had to take our z-score and put it in that applet.
Mhm.
And then I only, highlighted the right part, and then I got 0.139. All right, and then 14, I got 0.011.
So that's 12.
And then this is where I got lost. Because I can get the standard deviation. I think that was easy. Is what I think I'm on the next one. Number 15, when I'm trying to figure out, I don't know what the P is. Or the probability. Because I don't know if we're using, I first took 0.52 divided by 2,000. So I don't think that was right. But the more I'm reading is maybe we have to take 0.50. Because that's what we want to find the probability for.
Right.
You're reading under 3.3.2.
Oh, no. I didn't read this section.
It's kind of basically saying what you just said. We're going to use
Okay.
0.5.
So I take the 0.5. Okay. Yeah, I didn't read far enough. That should make things a little bit easier. So if we're doing 50%, we take 0.5 minus 0.52. And then we divide that by the 0.011. Okay.
So for 14, you get 0.011.
Yes.
Okay.
So I got for 15 negative 1.818.
I got minus 1.818.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, minus 1.818.
Yes.
So in the applet, do you think in that case we take everything to the very left?
That's what I did, and that's kind of what I'm thinking.
Okay, well, I'll let you kind of submit that and we'll see if it's right. So then you got the 0.035.
Yes. Are you seeing how we're solving for that, Olivia?
Sorry, we moved kind of quick.
That's okay. I'm working on seeing if I can get to that.
Guess I'll just go ahead and submit it and see.
Okay.
Okay, I missed one. I missed question 7.
Dang it.
But everything else is correct.
Okay, so you got a negative z-score.
Yes,
Okay.
it'll be negative.
All right, tell me how you set up your problem.
So you're going to take 0.5 because we're calculating it for 50%. And so you're going to take that minus your P of 0.52. So then you'll have negative 0.02. And then divide that by the standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
Of the 0.011. That number is 7.
I tried to look it up on Google.
Because if probability is 1/4, the smallest number, you got to have at least 4. I don't know.
Was that in the reading somewhere?
That's what I'm trying to go back and see if I can find it somewhere. Where it introduces probability.
So you had a negative 1.82.
Negative 8.18.
Or negative 1.818.
Negative 1.818.
Yes.
Oh, you have to have 3.
Yeah.
That's right. So then the probability is 0.0345.
0.035 if you round it.
So I'm kind of looking at the reading under 3.1.
Mm-hmm.
It's just an example of tossing a coin.
Yeah.
Let's talk about you toss it 25 times, and you toss heads 12 out of 25, which is equal to a 0.48 proportion. So I'm thinking if your sample size is 100, and whatever the situation is, if you're doing 25 out of 100, then you're going to get 0.25, which is equivalent to 1 divided by 4.
We could have, I think, try 0.25.
Or your n would be 100.
100.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, it's
Yikes. What if it was 0.5 or 0.4? Because I'm kind of reading a little bit more. I'm in 3.22. And then it says, I don't know, what is the true proportion of heads? Like if you keep going, this is if we tossed a coin many, many, many times, we would expect to see the 0.5 as the proportion of heads. I can't find anything.
I don't find anything either. Like the only thing I can think of, since there's nothing in the reading, is I don't remember what stage of school you learn in math when you're reducing fractions. You have, say, like 10 over 40, you would take off the zeros and it'd be 1 over 4.
Yeah.
So if you do 10 divided by 40, you get 0.25. So I almost wonder if the sample size would be 40.
That, or I was thinking maybe I might just put in 25. Because if you have, well, we already tried that, didn't we already?
We tried 100.
We tried 100.
I might just try 25 because if you have 100, 1/4 is 25. Because that's kind of like the same lines. You know, if you have 25 or 100, that's 1/4. I don't know. I'll give it a try. I can't find it anywhere. Unless
Actually, 40 is right.
40 was right.
40 was right.
Huh. Back to reducing fractions, huh?
It's so long.
That's the only thing I could think of.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Looks like we're getting quicker with these.
Which is great. It's all getting harder.
All right, cool. I guess we can end it. I guess just tonight, or tomorrow, we'll just email, maybe 2 ideas each and we can pick one or something.
Okay.
And then by Thursday, maybe we can put some of that stuff together.
Do we need to design this, design the study and send it for him to approve?
I think we just answer those 19 questions or whatever it is. There's just like 19 questions. I think we go through and fill out those 19 questions. And then we submit it to the teacher, and then if he's okay with it, he signs off on it, and then I guess we start working on it.
Okay.
All right, cool. Well, I'll shoot some ideas tomorrow.
Okay, great.
Good.